Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a shop on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First thing, we will need just to access to our TikTok account. Either you do it from your mobile or you do it from your computer on the web. So first we need just to go to our TikTok profile. So we will access the tiktok.com and then you will need to log in to, to your profile. So here we can see our profile picture and basically we will find something called the business suite where we can find our business thing. So if you want to have a shop, so make sure first you create an account by the name of the shop that you want. So you can go to settings. Let's go back and you can log out or just let's have a logout and you can create your own account by the name of your shop. So you need just to sign up and add your shop informations like the name and give it an email, etc. Or you can just do it for your personal profile and add for the business account, add the name of your shop or your business and give it another email for your business. To do this step, all you need to do is to go to your settings and we will find it here. So you click on your profile picture. Let's just have a dark mode. And basically we need just to go to the settings. And here in the manage account, you will find a business account. So if you didn't have a business account, you will find the ability to turn your account to a business account. So you will just turn it on and you will have your own business account. After that, you will need just to go to the business suite and you will need just to start adding content for your page or for your business. So basically, for the business name, you will have it here in the username and other thing you can add. So this is the analytics for this shop or channel, or you can call it page. And here you can see a scheduler that you can add for your business. So you can start like adding product video for your products here and you can schedule them. And this is just some analytics to give you a general idea for your audience and for the people who are seeing your content. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.